Alright friends, this is going to be some unbelievable shit, but you see this Huracan Evo here? We got two cars today. We have a Ford Mustang GT350, which is the loudest car I've ever driven. We should have taken the Lamborghini Huracan Evo, right? But just I was heading outside to drive outside, there was something else catching my eye. And I went to talk to Isa, and it's this spaceship, brother. Obviously, since the car is like $1 million, somebody's coming with me to drive it. I can't believe I'm going to drive this thing. I cannot believe that I'm going to drive this fucking car. I can't believe it. I don't know what to say. Man, I can't anymore. Ed, how you feel?
It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable, brother. I can't talk anymore, man. The weather, the stress, the filming, everything is just ripping me apart. But to be honest, listen, I drove the Aventador SVJ. But which car is louder? Come on. Which car is louder?
Ford Mustang.
You wouldn't believe how loud this car is. Did you know that this engine was actually designed while they stripped off a Ferrari 458 engine to find out how they made it? This car revs 8,250 RPMs. Okay? So it might sound like a joke to you, but to me this is one of the best cars you can buy. I swear to God, it literally is sick to experience. You don't believe me? Fine, have a listen. Plus. This was 2,500 RPMs, okay? My God. Alright friends, currently driving a little bit around Dubai in this Ford Mustang GT350 Shelby, the loudest car I've ever been in. And just enjoying this beautiful city, the beautiful night, going to the marina. But have a listen to that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was told that this is legal. Let me tell you this. The engine is absolutely brilliant. It really is. I mean, very nice pull, very nice acceleration. Also, the way it accelerates, it's just brilliant to experience. But the sound. Ah! It's literally incredible. The camera will never pick up how loud this car is. It's louder than the SVJ we drove. That was 4,500 RPMs from 8,500. My goodness, this is really incredible. We're heading to the marina. I'll put in some pictures of it and maybe a video of what we're doing today. So see you later. Friends, I'm literally, nobody would ever believe me how fast, how great this car is. I used to hate Mustangs, especially the 5-liter, because it's so bad. But this, it goes and goes and pulls and pulls. Incredible engine. shit! But this is what we do when we are free, okay? Because obviously we're just working the last 3 days. So smoking a little bit shisha, enjoying here with Antonio, which is the real estate agent, growing now, starting his influencer career. He actually has over 10,000 subscribers, so make sure to check him out. And if you need real estate, tell him you came from me, so I get provision. Commission. Come on. It's the place to be, right? Dubai Marina. I don't know what to say. Tomorrow we're taking a day off, and on Thursday we're going to do some ridiculous shit. As always. Friends, our second day Dubai is coming to an end. Tomorrow is Eid, so I will take a day off, but it's incredible. And I mean, we got ourselves another car, right? Look at that. Maserati Levante GTS. I'm hopping in. But this is really, it's incredible. I mean, cars are just a part of the culture here in Dubai. It's absolutely incredible. It's really a part of the culture. I mean, look at that. Look at those buildings. Somehow I can't comprehend this whole thing. I don't understand what is happening. It's incredible. Driving supercars, hypercars, whatever, driving sports cars, loud, cheap petrol, very good petrol actually, but cheap in price. Driving the Levante, driving all of those cars. It's like I just came here spontaneous, right, to meet Mr. Car Expert, which we're going to do a podcast on Thursday, so make sure to check him out. And all of a sudden, every door opened for all of those cars. It's crazy. Let's hop into the Maserati. Wow, Italian beauty, beautiful smell. That's what I like. This is nice, very nice. I wrapped this thing up. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. See you on the next one. Goodbye. Able to access this Sheikh town, and I mean, look at that, one villa after the other. Very, very cool. We're bringing Pierre the car back. So of course I'm not giving out this information, but look at that. It's really, really interesting. Really interesting to experience. Very silent and beautiful place actually. Yeah, I could live here. I really could.